In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a brand new Outlook email account, a straightforward process that will get you connected and communicating in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, open Chrome or any web browser of your choice. For this tutorial, we'll use Chrome as it's one of the most commonly used browsers and offers a smooth, user-friendly experience that's perfect for what we're doing here. Once your browser is open, you'll want to visit the website outlook.live.com. This address will take you directly to the official Microsoft Outlook site. Outlook is a powerful email service that offers great features for email management and reliability. Once you're on the Outlook website, you should see an option labeled Create Free Account. Go ahead and click on that. This button is there to guide you through creating a new Outlook email, which is free of charge. Remember, this is the gateway to accessing various services powered by Microsoft, so it's a great tool to have. Now comes the part where we get creative. You'll need to enter your desired email address. This is the name people will see when they contact you, so choose something memorable and professional if you're planning on using it for work. Once you've settled on an address, you'll also need to come up with a secure password. A strong password typically includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, which will help keep your account secure. Remember to make a note of it somewhere safe, as you'll need this password to log in. As you proceed, you'll encounter prompts that guide you through the registration process, such as entering personal information and setting up security options. Follow these prompts carefully. They are there to help tailor your user experience and make your email account as secure as possible. Part of the registration might include verifying your identity. This is usually a quick process involving a verification code sent to an alternate email or your phone. It's important to complete this step to activate your new account successfully. After you've completed all the steps in the registration process, you're all set to sign in to your new Outlook account. Simply use the email address and password you just created. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Here, you have access to an array of features designed to help you organize your inbox, send and receive messages, and manage your contacts with ease. Congratulations! You've just set up your brand new Outlook account. With this account, you can stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues around the world. Take a few minutes to explore the tool.